I love my 5-inch chrome elbow exhaust tip, but I honestly think we can do better. Let's change some things up. Ooh, look at that soft opening tailgate. So here I am unpackaging my 6-inch chrome elbow exhaust tip. Yes, we went an entire inch larger, and some of you may be thinking that's not very much, but we're gonna see today if it actually makes a difference or not going with a slightly larger exhaust tip.
It's like a whole set.
And ignore the goofy face, I'm genuinely excited. Alright, let's wiggle this off and we'll get it next to the other one to do a size comparison. That actually made a noticeable difference on several things. The first being the initial startup sounded a lot deeper and a lot more mean. The idle tone is much deeper, and when you let off the throttle, you get a much better sounding turbo.
Sure does look better.